learners, welcome to the video. Hope you're doing well. We all love to enjoy playing with soil irrespective of our ages, isn't it? We all are connected to the soil and it is an inseparable part of our life. From our previous learning, we know that 71% of the Earth's surface is covered by sea and only 29% is land. And out of this 29%, the 1/3 part is covered with deserts. So, what we got is a less valuable region of land that we use for plantation, forest and farming. Do you wonder what makes our land area useful? Well, it is soil that makes it useful. We will discuss soil and the factors that make the soil so important to us. Soil is our important natural resource. Soil is a mixture of broken rocks, minerals, living organisms and decaying organic matter called humus. Now, let's talk about the uses of soil. Our plants are dependent on soil for their growth and nourishment. Our agriculture and crops all are dependent on the soil. It is home to many microorganisms and insects. The number of microorganisms in a teaspoon of soil is more than in the people of the earth. Isn't it amazing? If you pick soil from the different areas of your nearby surroundings, such as garden, roadside, farm or industrial area site, do you observe any difference in all of them? Yes, there is a difference. The garden soil is rich in decaying matter of leaves and plants. You can find plenty of microorganisms in this soil. The garden soil is healthy soil. On the other hand, you will find that the roadside soil is contaminated with plastic products, glass and garbage. This soil is basically of no use. But still, you can find plants on the roadside. It is just because of those plants the quality of soil is revived on the roadside. Plants hold the soil particles tightly and reduce the dust and soil pollution in the nearby area. Okay, if we say from which area we can get the best soil, it is from farms. Farm soil is rich in nutrients and lots of microorganisms. It is appropriate for agricultural purposes. But nowadays, farmers are focusing more on the use of chemical fertilizers and pesticides. The excessive use of pesticides is adding harmful chemicals to the soil. Farmers must encourage organic farming to maintain the quality of the soil. Let's talk about soil near the industrial site. The industries like paints and fabrics produce lots of garbage, sewage, sludge and high chemical waste. All this waste is dumped into the soil and contaminates the soil of nearby areas. The soil near the industrial sites is highly contaminated and not suitable for agriculture or plantation purposes. Soil is an important part of our life, so we must protect it from contamination. If our soil is contaminated, so will the crops. And these crops are consumed by us only. So, for the sake of nature and our health, the quality of soil should be maintained. Okay, let's brainstorm your mind. Do you know why there is a pleasant smell after the first rain? Well, this pleasant smell is caused by soil-dwelling bacteria known as actinomycetes. These bacteria thrive in the soil when conditions are wet and warm. When the soil dries up, these organisms produce tiny spores that release a chemical compound and are responsible for the springy aroma. We have named this phenomena as petrichor. So learners, next time if you want to pot a plant, keep in mind from which source you're picking up the soil. Always prefer soil from the farm or garden area. We will discuss the different layers of soil in our next video. So, stay connected. Until then, see you later.